Shabba Miller heard him straight out of the left. First son of Mother Mary in them streets, and I represent. Now let's get it.
Story of a man without an ending, he's immortal. I'm entitled to my pen, you know I handle my controller. 100 bars, I've been in jail, I didn't even tell my mama. Verses burning in the sun, them niggas smoking up the Bible. Always counting up my days, I couldn't wait to see my lawyer. Didn't wanna talk about it cause it came with all the drama. But I said it and I mean, I got niggas with a number. I'm a dollar, what I got when it comes to making something. Could've got me that diploma, but my father spent the fees. Mama told me go and finish, but I said I got a dream. I'm the young Luther King, got a vision to be free. Some respect up on my name, I've been given to the streets. Loyalty above the cheese, realest nigga in the east. Give me land, I give you peace, and let my diva rest in peace. Let the mother of the nation get to look up for her kids. I'm not a goat, I'm a gorilla, reason why they call me G. Only nigga on it, come up with the plot and keep it real. In my hood I got it covers, niggas wanna politic. Played a lot of sacrifices, hella deep to go and quit. I was brought up in the jungle, only thing I know is beef. Could've smoked a lot of niggas, but I fell in love with weed. Growing up I used to beat up stupid niggas every week. Till I started making music, then I switch up on the beat. Used to wonder if you make it at the hood without me treat. So my niggas getting stuck up on the hood for quitting school. Niggas kicking at the lot, the saying they ain't got the tools. Better come up with a plan, improvise and make a move. Niggas do it for the credit, but my debit full of room. I've been thinking about the rollie, wanna buy a Jimmy Choo. Shorty always saying sorry cause she know that she can lose. Mellow hoodie, about to go and hit the new. Shawty used to cook me food, gave me money for my dues. I was in a situation, but I'm through. Now I'm walking through the booth. Used to run my little business at the office with the crew. Pushed a lot of weed, started fighting with the food. Walking like I'm Jesus, crucify me for my sins. I'm a different type of Jesus, got me Nikes on my feet. R.I.P. my grandma Ellie, hope you watching over me. Now the continent is wavy, grandpa could've been a king. Then you left me very early in the belly of the beast. I'm a product of the streets, look at what you done to me. Uncle told me this a hobby, told him straight you getting older. Why you wanna change my scene? See, because you rich and 40. Trying to pay the way for all my people with the stories. Niggas got a lot of pain, I'm finna pull up with a Coley. Dang, I'm finna pull up with a Coley. Straight out of looks, I represent murder business, nigga. Y'all don't know shit about this.
Hey, G. Man, I really watched this, man. I really enjoyed it when I was watching it, man. Like, I'm really thankful for this, man. Like, you're really speaking up, but like, speaking up for the hood, you understand me? Yeah. You're speaking up for the hood.